The weather is sort of cleared up. I'm gonna head out, take this ride to a really close river that has some walking paths by it today. Honestly, I've been thinking about just starting a series called Out and Backs that are really quick trips and, a little bit less, honestly, a little bit less work. So a little bit more vlog style. So hang with me on this and we'll give it a shot. My goal today is to take advantage of the weather, see something new, and as my therapist says, go touch grass. I've recently been reading about Alastair Humphrey's idea of micro-adventures. His boiled down concept is basically that you can take short and simple adventures that offer excitement to break perspective or break your routines. Usually these micro-adventures would take place over an evening or an overnight. It makes adventure accessible. But this is my version. Gonna try and head down this trail, which I've never been on, so let's give it a go. Might get murdered, no idea. This little trail leads down to the river down here, and it's cold as fuck. Hopefully we don't have to interact with anyone. That's pretty cool though. Haven't been down here before, a little beach. Pretty cool. Given how beautiful the sky was, and how sunny it is, you'd think it would be warm, but it's actually about 30 degrees, and even the geese are cold. So the trip didn't last long, but that's okay. It did what I needed, got me out of the house, and refocused my mindset a bit. It just seems like it's easy to lose ourselves right now. It's like we actively have to battle to turn down the noise. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to fight back against the barrage of bad news, and all of you are coming with me. We're going to take our own little micro-adventures. Nothing big, nothing planned. But it doesn't have to be big or planned to be worth it. So I hope you'll join me by hitting the like, subscribe, and notification icons to join me for this series. And my hope is that we learn a little bit more about each other along the way. Well, that was cold, very windy. Also, new t-shirts available if you guys want to go check them out on plasticwolfmoto.com. Here's the front, and the back is, well, that was cool. Back is this. So hopefully you like it. Go check them out. You should buy one because they're cool. Next time.